Huh. I kind of wonder where we can find some clues for today.
A clue.
Wait, you see a clue? Where?
Right there.
Oh, right here. And it's on this paw print. It looks to be silver. Okay, so the silver paw print must be our second clue. You know what we need? Our handy dandy notebook. Right. So, a silver paw print. Let's draw a paw print with some dots like this. Then I'll use my gray crayon to fill it in. And there, a silver paw print. And we have a silver paw print as our second clue.
A clue.
Wait, you see our third clue? Where?
Right there. I'm a sound note.
Oh, right here. And it's a sound note. I wonder what sound it is. Let's listen.
Hello, fat face.
I said it before. My face is not fat!
We're sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. We're experiencing some clue technical difficulties. Please stand by.
We can draw this sound note in our handy dandy notebook. Right. Okay. A sound note. A little circle with some lines like this, and another little circle there. A sound note. Okay. That was our third clue. We have all three clues. That means we're ready for our
Thinking chair.
thinking chair. Right. Let's go.